Improving access is a critical responsibility. In the face of today's labor market, margin constraints, and overall patient demand, determining how to ensure broader access is no easy task. At the center of this is the decision to DIY or buy. That is, internally managing your healthcare call center or employing an outsourced partner. Call centers require a variety of technology and infrastructure to simply function. Proper investment in the right systems is critical to operations and requires careful consideration in a tech space that is saturated with options. It can be expensive and present several challenges beyond the hefty initial investment, from managing capital and gaining organizational buy-in to maintaining dedicated IT resources and juggling relationships with multiple vendors. If you are going to operate a call center, you'll need office space. When choosing a location, you'll need to consider a lot more than just affordable real estate. It needs to be desirable to the local job market and scalable to handle future growth. Expenses for this kind of infrastructure can add up quickly. An outsourced partner not only has all the tech and infrastructure needed, but it's their business to have the best. Beyond the basic operational technologies, true engagement partners employ cutting-edge technology for monitoring and analytics to ensure continuous improvement and a superior patient experience. And it's all included in your contract. Staffing is arguably the most important part of call center operations. Great care must be taken to recruit and train agents that can be trusted with maintaining a high standard of service that ensures patient loyalty. Recruiting can prove to be more difficult than anticipated, considering the national staffing crisis and the notoriously high turnover rate for these roles. Aside from patient access staff, supervisors, HR, and auxiliary expenses should be factored into the overall labor cost. One of the benefits of employing a call center partner is that the burden of staffing falls on them. They can also scale up or down quickly to meet changing service demands. Good partners offer top-level training, recruiting, and incentive programs for agents that can improve retention rates and ensure they meet contracted service levels for patient satisfaction. Beyond personnel, technology, and basic infrastructure, there are many other considerations that factor into the cost of an internal build. Any setback can impact the bottom line and ultimately the ability of your call center to be profitable. Unforeseen challenges in areas like implementation, workflow design, or standardization can rapidly contribute to ROI, but many of these challenges can be bypassed by an experienced partner. Factors such as cost, physician preference, and practice independence often frame this as a more complex choice than it needs to be. The need for improved access should render anything else irrelevant. While considering what is best for patients, you cannot ignore the realities of managing access. Poorly executed access often creates a burden on operations and exacerbates existing problems, resulting in poor ROI and, worse, a negative impact on patient outcome. This high-level overview only scratches the surface of how complicated operating a healthcare call center can be. Supplementing internal efforts through a partnership with an established industry-specific call center can assist you in your mission of improving access and meeting the challenges of evolving demands. A dedicated access partner can improve the patient access experience so you can focus on your core objective, providing superior patient care.